Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Ethereum name services. As in my earlier videos, I've been showing you that Ethereum name services has broken out a very big descending triangle on the 7 days time frame chart. And this was one of my old videos. And now if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout from this triangle, we had a very, very nice pump, by the way, from this low when it was testing the support of the triangle here up till this high. It was more than 357%. Very, very powerful pump, but the price and could not break out this long-term resistance zone. That starts from $27.65 and goes to $30. That had been previously working as a resistance zone here back in the month of May 2022. Then we got another rejection here, and this is the most recent rejection that was happening here in the month of May 2024. And right now you can see that after almost getting bounced from this support, of $18, the price and it's geared up and now it is trying to break out this resistance on once again. At the same time, we have also received a crossover by a stochastic. And by the way, it is also entering the overbought zone as well. And MACD was already moving in the overbought zone. But again, we have received a MACD crossover. Therefore, these two crossovers are really very significant at this time, especially when we are trying to break out this long-term resistance on that starts from $27.65 and goes to $30. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for ENS that I shared a few days ago on 7th of June 2024 with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, I'm going to begin with my most recent trade signal for ENS that I shared a few days ago on 7th of June 2024 with my members. And this was a harmonic bullish reversal bad move that ENS formed on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup. And this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price and once again entered the buying zone first. And after that, we had a very, very nice reversal. And after hitting the sell target line here, the price line again moved down. And before that, we got almost 18% pump. This was another harmonic bullish reversal bad move. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started another very, very nice reversal. Before that, we got almost 45% pump. This move was, by the way, formed with Bitcoin pair. And I shared this idea on 1st of Feb 2024. And this move was formed on a daily time frame chart with Bitcoin pair. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started another very, very nice reversal and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And this was, by the way, a Gartley pattern, a bullish Gartley move. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signal for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've already shared. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Ethereum name services. And this is the weekly time frame chart of Ethereum name services. And you can see that for the past several months, since after April 2021, it was moving inside this very, very massive and big descending triangle. And after getting squeezed inside this triangle, we broke it out. By the way, before the breakout, we also formed a very, very big double bottom pattern at the support of this triangle as well. You can see that this was the first bottom and this was the second bottom. And inside the second bottom, we got several touch points at the support of this triangle once again. And finally, we broke out the resistance, but you can see that so far the price line is not able to break out this long-term resistance zone that starts from $27.65 and goes to $30. That has been previously breaking at the resistance zone here, resistance here, here. And this is the most recent rejection that was happened here in the month of in the same month of June 2024 in the current month. And now again, the price line is bounced from this support of $18 that was previously working at a resistance here and resistance here. And for the past few weeks, it had been working at a very, very nice support here and resistance here. And now the price line went very close to this support of $18, but could not hit this support and almost bounced from this support. And then you can see that right now it is trying to break out this resistance on once again. At the same time, you can see that we have once again received a bull cross by the stochastic and also by MACD as well. You can see that previously when we received this crossover between the blue line and the orange line, we at a very, very powerful and nice rally. We broke out the resistance of this triangle previously when we received the crossover here. Then we had another very, very nice pump, but the price and got rejected by this long-term resistance of $18 and the resistance of the triangle and move down again. This time you can see that the price line is trying to break out this resistance zone, and therefore once again, these crossovers are really very significant. However, this time we are receiving these crossovers from the overbought zone. Previously, we received the crossover by the MACD here from the oversold zone. Stochastic gave the crossover from the oversold zone, and here you can see that Stochastic was entered the oversold zone. At the same time, it was the MACD was also entering, moving inside the oversold zone. However, this time when we are trying to break out this long-term resistance zone, at the same time, these crossover have a lot of significance. Now, if we take a look at the target for this breakout from this very, very big descending triangle, so far the price did not hit the target for the breakout. And that target is, by the way, here. That is very close to this long-term resistance of $38.50. That was previously working as a support here for several weeks. And now again, it can work as a very, very strong resistance. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.